Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to disable guided access on any iPhone without the passcode. Now, if you have enabled guided access on your iPhone, and if you do not remember the passcode of your guided access, and if you want to disable guided access without using the passcode, just force restart your iPhone. Now, to do that, first of all, just press the volume up button, the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Just like that. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. Now once your iPhone restarts, just swipe up and enter your lock screen code. Now as you can see, this is how you can disable guided access on iPhone without using the passcode. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.